Let's make very tasty and very yummy chicken yakni pulao. It's very quick and easy to make, and it turns out very aromatic and delicious. So let's see its recipe. Here I am making yakni pulao of half kg chicken. So accordingly we will take a pan and pour 60 ml of oil in it. Let the oil heat a little on a medium to high flame, and as soon as the oil gets hot, add the whole spices to it. In whole spices I have taken 3 spicy dry red chillies, 6 to 7 black peppers, 2 bay leaves, a spoonful of cumin, 1 large cardamom and 2 small cardamoms. Due to the oil being hot, these whole spices will get fried as soon as they are added. So we will now add 4 medium sized onions cut into slices. As soon as we add onion, we will mix it well in oil so that the onion slices open well and it can easily be fried evenly from all edges. Fry the onion till it turns light golden while turning it occasionally, because later it is going to be fried with chicken also. If we fry it too much and let it turn brown, so the yakni will look more brownish later on. That is why we will fry it only till it becomes light golden. If we leave it to fry like this without turning it, then the onion will burn from the sides and will remain raw from the middle. So stir it occasionally till it becomes light golden. It has to be fried on a medium to high flame only. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes to fry. So after about 7 minutes you can see that the onion has fried evenly from all the sides and has become light golden. So now add half a kg of chicken in it. I washed the chicken properly 3 to 4 times with water before. As soon as you add the chicken, mix it quickly and well with the onion and oil. Because both the oil and a pan are hot, the chicken will start sticking as soon as it is put in it, and if we don't stir it quickly, it will stick there and burn. So after mixing the chicken well, let it be in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes until all the water evaporates. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, all the water from the chicken has been burned. So now add 2 medium sized chopped tomatoes and 2 spicy green chillies cut into slices. Additionally, we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of green chilli paste, and in dry spices 1 medium spoon of red chilli flakes, 1 medium spoon ground coriander powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder and salt as per taste. Along with this, add a cup of water to cook all these spices. As soon as you add water, mix these spices and chicken well. Cover the pan and let it cook on a very slow flame for 5 minutes till the spices get cooked. Keep stirring it occasionally so that the spices don't stick to the bottom of the pan and don't get burnt. In between, if you feel that the water has burnt and more water is needed to cook the masala, then add a little water and cook the masala properly. So after about 4 to 5 minutes, the spices have been cooked well and the chicken has also been cooked 50%. So now we will add water to cook the rice. So I am adding about 350 ml of water to it. As soon as you add water, mix it well and cover the pan again and let it cook till the water comes to a boil so that the chicken becomes completely soft and tender. So after 3 to 4 minutes, the water has come to boil, and due to this the chicken has also boiled and become soft. So now add finely chopped coriander, mint and 2 green chillies cut into slices. Then add 400 grams of rice which I had already washed. Here I have taken fine surti kolam rice. It's very sweet in taste and this makes yakni pulao specially very tasty. Now add salt again according to the rice, and after adding salt mix it all well again. Now reduce the flame of the stove to low and cover the pan and cook the rice completely. It will take approximately 8 to 10 minutes to cook the rice completely. So keep checking it 2 to 3 times in between and keep stirring so that the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and get burnt. Here after about 10 minutes, the very aromatic and yummy chicken yakhni pulao is ready. It smells so delicious that your hunger increases even more. So try this recipe quickly. To see more such a tasty recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.